Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: a working phone number and the latest WhatsApp version. Open WhatsApp now, tap Settings, then Account, and select Two-Step Verification. This screen initiates the 6-digit PIN setup. Enter one you can remember but others won't guess. Once done, you'll be asked to confirm that PIN. Make sure you enter it exactly. WhatsApp will prompt you twice to prevent typos and to lock the account to your chosen code. Next, you'll create and confirm a 6-digit PIN. The app requires repeating it to ensure accuracy. After that, add a recovery email. This is optional but important. If you forget the PIN, you can't reset it without the email once locked. Once you add email, WhatsApp may send a verification message. Make sure to use an email you control because it's the recovery path. Finally, choose whether to receive occasional PIN prompts to keep memory fresh. Enable if you finish by confirming settings and returning to the two-step verification screen to verify it shows as enabled. You're protected. WhatsApp will require your PIN when registering your number again. If you forget the PIN, use the recovery email to receive a reset link. Check spam folders. If email wasn't set and you're locked out, wait 7 days for WhatsApp to allow a reset or reinstall after backing up chats. If problems persist, update the app, restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.